So a lot of people ask me sometimes, you know, how is this one day of food in this one small bag? This food is dehydrated, just like the food that went to the moon. And all you gotta do is add water to reconstitute it. And it fills up about 4 or 5 bowls of food for you, yourself, other people if you need it. But yeah, this is one day of food for one person, 24 hours of food right here. I really like being responsible about the food I consume, and that's why I ordered this chicken a la king from 4Patriots. And what's cool right now is that they're offering a special where you order 1 packet, you get 2 packets free. This year I got classic potato soup and cinnamon sugar oatmeal, and the shipping is free. So to find out more information, to order yours today, click the link below. If you have any questions, leave a question in the comment section below. But yeah, you guys, hope to hear from you soon.